Greetings, my friends. And again here I am, Maxim Volkov. It means that today I'm going to share another cool massage trick with you. Let's begin with the fact that many massage therapists are very fond of the technique of lifting up a shoulder blade. And some therapists do really pull the scapula completely out. But today let's discuss it from another point of view. Let's speak about some issues related to it. So, how do we do the so-called lifting up of a shoulder blade? Watch. This is the first way to do it. We place the hand on the back, press the elbow a bit and look. Something pops up here. It's difficult to hook the scapula now. So, how to do it quickly? We can lift the shoulder up a bit, and here it is. The scapula starts to go up. We put the arm behind the back like this, can you see it? And now we can hook the shoulder blade and work with it. But, of course, it's not comfortable to hold it with one hand. If you go and get a pillow to slip it under the shoulder, it will be a long story. Especially, if this is your third, fourth or fifth client. You don't feel like running around, reaching out for some things, you just want to have everything close at hand. That is why I'm going to share a very interesting trick. I lift the shoulder up and put it on my knee. Pay attention to the position of my leg. Not like this. This way it will be impossible. So my leg will be positioned like this, slightly bent inwards. The second issue is the following. If you are wearing your work clothes and place the person's shoulder right on your trousers, which can be greasy by the end of the day, some of your clients can be unhappy about it. You know, there are always very choosy and demanding clients. But there is a simple way out. Moreover, there is another advantage of it. You can use the sheet to lift the shoulder up and cover your knee. I'll show it again. So, what do? We put the arm behind the back. Check that it is relaxed. We can even do a bit of trampling so that the person relaxes all the muscles. Then we take the sheet, lift it up a bit, place our leg on the table and cover it with the sheet. As I showed before, my leg is bent inwards. Then we adjust our leg a bit, move it so that we feel comfortable. So in this position I can bring the scapula out as much as possible. And now, as they often do it in Thai massage therapy, using not just my body, I start pulling the scapula away from the spine. You can also apply this technique. There is a special thing about the pulling. If you pull like this, there won't be enough skin or tissues. That is why you push the skin from the shoulder blade. It is one more trick. You push the skin from the scapula and now you have enough material to work with, making wide movements. Like this, so the shoulder blade lifts up very well, but don't pull it completely out. This technique is used to provide mobilization, stretch rhomboids and relieve the muscle cramp if there is some muscle tightness in this area. So, that was our interesting trick. Please, use it during massages you give. One more time, in short. Lift the shoulder up using the sheet. The sheet is clean, it covers your clothes, the person doesn't contact with your clothes and the oil from the person's skin will not dirty your trousers. And remember, your leg should be positioned not straight, but bent inwards. In this case the person won't feel any pain and you won't need to lift the shoulder too much up. So, be the best in what you do, and see you. And as usual, next tricks are about to come.